Hey friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to share with you a quick unboxing of a beautiful fabric collection called Garden. Here's one of the hero prints from the collection. I'll give you a sneak peek. If you've been here with me, you may have heard me mention in previous videos that my second favorite thing to do besides sewing is gardening. And so, I had to snag this collection and get it up in the shop. And again, I've already made some things that I'm selling in my handmade shop with this. I have a few things that I'll probably share in upcoming tutorials here with you all. But anyway, let's have a quick peek at this collection. Okay, friends, so we have 14 fabrics we're gonna look at, 7 different prints. So let's get started. This first print here is called Twig Stripe, and it's in 2 colorways. This is the lavender colorway. This is the natural colorway. And yeah, as it says, it's just twigs. The print is going across the fabric, so if you want the length of the twigs, you're gonna get like a 44-inch length. Nice neutrals to use as quilt backings, or if you're doing art quilts or, any kind of nature themes. I'm definitely gonna be making napkins with this and some other home good items that I'll add to my handmade shop. Our second print is called Garden Seed, and that also comes in 2 colorways. This is the pink colorway. This is the green colorway. This is a tossed all over non-directional print. Really, really pretty. Next up we have Asparagus Stripe, and this print is going up and down the fabric instead of across the fabric like the twig print did. This is called Asparagus Stripe, and the colorway is gold. And again, just beautiful. I hope to harvest some asparagus for the first time from my garden next year, but it's really pretty. The next print we're gonna look at is called Sweet Pea, and this is one of my favorites from the collection. I love growing my own peas. They grow great here in Minnesota, but I love the colors. I'm definitely gonna be making some items that I'll share at some point with this print, maybe even an apron. I really love this. I think the colors are just beautiful together. Again, it's called Sweet Pea. The colorway is teal. And yeah, it's a tossed all over print, non-directional. So, just pretty. Our 5th print in this collection is called Veggie Dots. And again, 2 colorways. We have the gold colorway and we have the blue colorway. And this is a directional print. And again, instead of polka dots, it's veggie dots. And just look at all the different veggies. This is, again, just a really charming and lovely print. This colorway here that's called blue is more like it's like periwinkle. And this one is like a soft butter yellow. Yeah, really pretty. I'm growing all these things in my garden. Love this print. Our 6th print is called Garden Veggies. And again, it's just tossed all over garden veggies. This one is, again, because of the way they're tossed, it's kind of directional, but not completely. Really gorgeous. This colorway is called Gold. And this colorway is called Aqua. And they're just both stunners. Just gorgeous colors, great for your autumn table setting, for napkins, for hostess gifts. Maybe you want to do a veggie themed quilt or some totes for your friends or yourself that are gardeners. Just really lovely. Very, very, I don't know, I feel like just the way she did the coloring on these, it makes the vegetables look very realistic. It's just gorgeous and just really cool colors, especially for fall. And then our final print, our 7th print, is called Zinnia Toss. And it's, again, most gardeners grow zinnias. They're just really simple, easy, but beautiful flowers to grow. In fact, at the end of this video, I'll put in some footage that I filmed and some images that I took during the summer when we were visiting my husband's family in Germany at the Bodensee. There were zinnias everywhere. It was stunning. It was a great time to be there. But anyway, this print here I will get into it. I mean, you can see it. This colorway is called Aqua. This is the pink colorway. This pink colorway is the first Martha Negley print that I ever bought. And so they reprinted it as a part of this collection. And I was so tickled to see it because I made my daughter one of the sweetest outfits with this. I still have it, so I'm gonna try to find the pictures. And I'm also gonna get it out of her. She has a little treasure box where she put away things that I made for her, all kinds of things, but a lot of clothes that I made for her. She has stored away because she wants to keep them for her future girls, hopefully. But I'm gonna pull that outfit out and show you guys. And it's really a testament to how wonderfully these quilters cottons work for children's clothing. I made the switch to using these because I was sewing a lot of clothes for her. I'll tell you the whole story. I'm not gonna get into it for now, but yeah, I was tickled when I saw this because I'm like, I sewed with this fabric like 15 years ago. And the print is back out again. So I just love that. It was gorgeous. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for this collection. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing of Garden with me. Again, as I mentioned in the intro, I will be sharing at least one tutorial coming up here soon on the channel with you all. I've made some things that I think will be great for Christmas gifts for the gardener in your life, or even the cook in your life, or just for yourself, really. So we will get into those tutorials coming up in a little bit soon. I will mention here, if you're interested, you know, if you're a Kay Facet fan, you may recognize this fabric. This is one of their prints that oh, did I share this collection here? I can't remember, but it's definitely on the Etsy store. I'll link to this fabric in the description box. I use one of my absolute favorite dress patterns, which, again, I think I need to do a tutorial for you guys over here on this dress. Maybe I'll do that because I will be making it again for what? Maybe the 11th time. But anyway, I will see you all back here on the channel again soon with a fabric unboxing, a sewing tutorial, something related to being creative with fabric, all right? Take good care.